And welcome back to Project Life 2022. This is week 37, and I have pulled some different things. This is a mixture of, well, actually, it's probably mostly my neutral kit, and a DIY filler card, and I think that's pretty much it. This one was a DIY card. This one's obviously a DIY card. Yeah, so I thought I would pull a couple of different things. First of all, I looked for a color that might match some of the blues and grays I've got. So I grabbed Broken China. I grabbed a variety of stickers, as always. I grabbed this one. I don't have a whole lot of travel-related pictures, but I seem to have a lot of travel-related embellishments and stickers. So I thought, time to throw those in. These were a gift from one of the girls in my pocket letter group, and I've used, I think, one thing from it. So I thought maybe use one more. And I grabbed these. Love the little tiny words on the back. I'm hoping to use some of those. Grabbed my American Crafts Patchwork Alphas. These alphas are amazing. Love them. If you're in the market for a good alpha and number sticker, that's the one. Don't know if I'll use this. Want to use this type for my stamping for my title card. Grabbed another stamp. Some travel sort of embellishments from Citrus Twist. And a whole lot of tiny word stickers. I have way too much on my desk. I know I'm not going to use it all, but I'm going to try to use at least 5 things. So here we go. I will put you on fast forward while I get embellishing. Good morning. It is the day after I recorded this video that I'm doing the voiceover. And I'm going to apologize for any noises you hear. I have one dog sleeping on me, and the other one is chewing one of his toys. So if you hear strange noises in the background, that's what's going on. So I end up, goofing the title card right out of the gate, which was less than ideal, but very quick workaround was just to grab an index card I had sitting on my desk and just do that instead. And I don't hate the card in the end, but I don't know, it still feels like there's something missing. I may go back and add some splatter or enamel dots or, I don't know, something. But the corrugated cardboard added some interesting texture, so I like that. And the 4x6 filler card at the top right has been sitting in my stash, I want to say, for over 6 years. It's a paper pad that I bought from Michaels that I think I showed you in my antique kit video. And it's got some great stuff in it, but the paper is like copy paper thin, so it's not really weighty enough to use in Project Life, especially when you're putting those papers in those pockets. You really need some stiff cardstock behind them, otherwise sometimes they don't go in straight and you end up wrinkling and crinkling them. So yeah, love these stickers. That sticker that I just put on there ends up being a little bit big, but I'm okay with that. And yeah, there's really not a whole lot to say about this spread. It came together really quickly because I already kind of had an idea what I wanted to do. And of course, I always do my journaling off camera. So yeah, looks like I'm coming back to you live here in a few seconds. Okay, I don't know if I'm missing footage on this video, but I went through some of my stickers that I pulled and my tiny words, and I just threw a few things on. I feel like this area here is missing something, so I'm going to go on the hunt and I'll be right back. I went back into my die cuts and grabbed this little flower. And I think I'm going to stop. So I will be back when, oh wait, the date. I'm going to do the date. I'll be right back. So all done. And in the process of doing this, I realized that I misnumbered last week's spread. So this was week 36. It's actually week 35. So I'm going to have to change that on YouTube. Hopefully I didn't make that mistake there too, but this is the spread. I'm enjoying using these neutral kits because it really does make the pictures stand out more. And it's a lot easier to coordinate the whole thing, so that's good. I didn't actually have room on this card here to stamp the date, so I broke with tradition and stamped it over there, but I thought that works, so there we go. All right, as always, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and yeah, I will see you next video, where it will be week 37, not 38. All right, that's it for me for today, friends. Bye for now.